Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Mr. Nikul and you are at the channel Cool Professor Nikul. So today in this video lecture we'll be discussing about hypoglycemic agents as per the pharmaceutical chemistry first year diploma in pharmacy as per PCI ER 2020. So what is hypoglycemic agent? They are the drugs which are used to lower the blood sugar level. So these are called as hypoglycemic agents. Now let's see the classification of hypoglycemic agents. First, hormones, oral hypoglycemic agents. Example, sulfonylurea. Third is plant products. Example, insulin and its preparation. Example, chloropropamide, tolbutamide, glibenclamide. B. Biogonides. Examples are fenformin and metformin. And plant products example is guar gum. Now let's discuss the first one, that is insulin. Insulin and its preparations, the stability and the storage goes, it is affected by light and air. So hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers at a room temperature of 20°C. Uses are, it is effective to control diabetes mellitus. It is used to regulate carbohydrate metabolism and used to treat hyperkalemia. The formulations or the pharmaceutical formulations of insulin are available in the form of injection, neutral insulin injection and biphasic insulin injection. Popular brand names under which the insulin is been sold or marketed is Novolog, Novoline, Humulin and Fungilin. Glimepiride, the stability and the storage is the same as that of insulin, that is, it is affected by light and air. Hence, it is stored in a tightly closed light resistant container at a room temperature of 30°C. The uses are, it is used in a type 2 diabetes mellitus to control rise in the blood glucose level. Now let us see the formulation in which it is available. It is available in the tablet and popular brand names are Avendryl, Dutact, Amaryl, Glypiride and Glimmer. Now let us see PIOGLITAZONE. The stability and storage is stored in a tightly closed container and uses are same as that of glimepiride. It is used in a type 2 diabetes mellitus to control the rise in the blood glucose level. Now let us see its formulations or the pharmaceutical formulations. They are mainly available in the tablet form and pioglitazone tablets and pioglitazone hydrochloride tablets. Now popular brand names under which the pioglitazone is marketed are Actos, Actoplus Met, Pionorm, Piorest and Dutact. Now REPAGLINIDE, stability and storage is stored in a well closed container, protect it from light and moisture, and uses is, it is used in the type 2 diabetes mellitus to control rise in the blood glucose level. Pharmaceutical formulations are mainly REPAGLINIDE tablets and the popular brand names are Prandimet, Urepa, Raflin and Glucornom. Then GLIFLOZINS, stability and storage is keep away from light and moisture and stored in a well closed container. Uses, it is used in glycemic control in adult patients with type 2 diabetes. Now the formulations in which it is available available in the GLIFLOZIN tablets and coated films. Then popular brand names are Glyzambi, Trijardri, Sinjardi and Jardians. Now next is gliptins. Gliptins, stability and storage is keep away from light moisture and stored in a well closed container. Uses are, it is used for glycemic control in adult patient with type 2 diabetes. It is available in the form of tablet, and the popular brand names are Janumid, Januvia, Ristaben, Steglujan, and Tesavel. Now metformin. This is the structure of the metformin, and the IUPAC goes 1,1-dimethyl biguanide hydrochloride. Now the stability and the storage. It is hygroscopic, and hence it is stored in a tightly closed container. Uses are, it is used for the treatment of non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus and obesity. It is available in the tablet form and the oral solution, while the brand names are Diabex, Diaformin, and Glycomet. The Glibenclamide, this is the structure, and the IUPAC goes like this. The stability and the storage is it is stored in a well closed container, and the uses are, it is used for the treatment to treat the non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus and as a substitute to other hypoglycemic agents. Now let us see finally the pharmaceutical formulations. It is available in the tablet form, and the popular brand names are Downy and Ugly. Okay, hope so it was informative.